Thanks for joining me. The original Josh here at Atlantic Pressure Washers, your Pressure Washer Superstore. Today we're going to unbox the PF22 Professional Foam Cannon by MTM Hydro. We've got all the parts laid out so that we can see how it all goes together and do a little bit of washing today. So, first item, we have the Nozzle Assembly. Hose already installed, off camera, behind closed doors. So, we have a couple adjustments here to take note of. You can change the pattern of the spray, also the position of the pattern. And then we can also change the concentration of the chemical by just twisting the knob on top. The nozzle comes with an orifice installed for pressure washers with flow rates of 2.5 gallons or better. In the package comes a smaller orifice for those of us using a pressure washer with lower flow rates. Next, we have the pressure washer gun connections, one for your consumer or 22mm connections. And then, of course, we like the quick disconnect plug style instead. Already taped, don't even have to worry about that. So we're going to thread that into the back of the nozzle, righty tighty of course. Don't forget to put a wrench on it, snug it up just a little bit. So then we take our chemical tube, we're going to insert that into the bottle. You're going to put your solution in there first, of course. Once again, righty tighty on the bottle. So, you got a nice ergonomic design right here. It won't slip out of your hands when you get all wet and slippery. We got some metric increments here so we can measure out our dilution ratio. Maybe next year we'll get some standard ones here, MTM Hydro, talking to you guys. So, we're all ready to go. Before we get wet and slippery, don't forget to like us and follow us. You can leave some comments and questions below. These are available on our website, AtlanticPressureWashers.com, or come on down and visit us here in Linthicum Heights, Maryland. Don't forget to turn the water on.